Today I got a Russ one, 6-pin, pinned by TREKMASTER30. W for winning. So old Russ one keyway with W on the stamped on the back. See if we can get this thing picked today. Let's see if I'm a winner. Alright, we'll try bottom of the keyway. And start the back. Alright. Nothing on 6. Click on 5. Nothing on 4, 3, 2, or 1. 6. 5, a little turn. Nothing on 4, 3, little click on 2, click on 1, and get back here behind 6. Nothing on 6, 5, 4, little movement on 2, a little movement on 4. Alright, there's a click on 3, there's a click on 2. We're in a deep false set. Alright, 6, 5. I think that was 3, and open on 2. All right. A fun little lock, and let's see if we can get it open. Off of there, and let's see, follower, worked. All right, we're looking at some. All right, there's 2. I think that was come out like that. 2 pins in there. Let's see, serrated. Here's 2 pins in that. Alright, and let's see what's on the top. Serration. See, here's a pin with pin and a ball. Alright, we got a pin, pin and pin. And that's got a reducer on it. We got a wafer. And we got another pin and pin. I think that went that way. And got a spool. Let's see what we got on springs here. Okay, number 2's got another pin in there. Let's see if we can get these springs out of here. Right there. Alright. Let me get over here. You can see what I'm doing. Just trying to get these springs out of here. And that one has a, that was number 2, and another wafer. And I think that was right. All right, we got some. We'll start with the Bible. Let's see. Doesn't look like anything. I don't think the Bible's all standard. I think you can see that. All right. Let's see what the plug is. We got a. Try to zoom in here. Might help. There we go. Serration in 1, 2, 3, 5. 6 is standard, and 4 has a big undercut on both sides. Alright, let's see what we got with these pins. This was kind of... Alright, we got a serrated key pin, a serrated driver. Alright, now this one has a reduced end, and it had a pin in there. Then it had a pin and pin in a circle. If I can get that in there. Okay. Oh, okay. This has got a hole in it. That's the way it come out. Like, well, getting the camera. It's got a hole in it. There we go. Alright, and then the circle pin and pin. Or ball. Let's see, here's a serrated. Had a pin and pin. And that pin is reduced. Scoot over here. Had a... That don't have a hole in it, so this was just a drunken spool. But both of them was in the keyway. With a wafer. Serrated with another pin and pin. And a spool with a sharp looking spool. Let's see if we can see that. That's a nice cut on that one. 134. Let me check this out. Come here. 34. Get over here. I'm gonna put this in here because when I pulled this out, it had a like that. Okay. So with that pin in there, it's under the shear line. So all I picked was the wafer. Wafer's right at the shear line. Where'd that go? Right there. Okay, that's why that was in there. All right. TREKMASTER30 did an amazing job on these pins. I got this from Steel Penning. Thank you for the locks. And y'all, thanks for watching. Be legal, and God bless. Alright, I'm back. I forgot to show the key. There's the bitting on the key. Got the pins back in there. At number 4, I was looking at it. A lot of wobble in there. And just forgot to show the key. Just gonna show it all. Alright. Thanks for watching. God bless.